Marcos Kapitulo 9, versikulo 33 hanggang 37. Coming in from yesterday, yung i-explain for the second time, multiple times na pinapaliwanag ni Lord sa mga apostles yung kanyang gagawin, isasakripisyo niya yung sarili niya, pero di nila maintindihan. Ngayon, tuloy po natin. Verse 33, Marcos Kapitulo 9, versikulo 33. Mark chapter 9, verse 33. Dumating sila sa Capernaum, at nang nasa bahay na sila, tinanong sila ni Jesus, ano ba ang pinagtatalunan ninyo kanina sa daan? 34. Hindi sila sumagot dahil ang pinagtatalunan nila ay kung sino sa kanila ang pinakadakila. Who among them is the greatest of them all? 35. Kaya umupo si Jesus at tinawag ang 12. At sinabi sa kanila, by the way, 12 kasama pa po dito si Judas kasi ma-analyze ni Judas yung sarili niya once he betrayed our Lord Jesus Christ and brought the temple guard to arrest our Lord Jesus Christ. Alright. So, tinawag ni Jesus kaya umupo si Jesus at tinawag ang 12 at sinabi sa kanila, ang sino man sa inyo na gustong maging una ay dapat maging huli. Anyone among you who wants to be first should become last. At maging lingkod ng lahat and to serve everyone. To be a servant for everyone. 36. Tinawag ni Jesus ang isang maliit na bata at pinatayo sa harapan nila. Pagkatapos, kinalong niya ito at sinabi sa kanila. So, our Lord Jesus Christ called a little child, and once the little child come near our Lord Jesus Christ, he raised him up and put unto his lap. Kinalong. Put unto his lap. And then 37. Ang sino mang tumatanggap sa batang tulad nito, dahil sa akin, ay tumatanggap din sa akin. At ang tumatanggap sa akin, ay tumatanggap sa aking Ama na nagsugo sa akin. For me, 2 parts yun eh. Meron kasi akong, nung nabasa ko yung Biblia, yung inimpress sa akin ng Lord, connected sa child, is we need to become child for us to be able to enter the kingdom of heaven. Meaning, we need to submit to our parents because children, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 6, or let's say 6, is submitted to their parents. Just saying yes, even though they don't understand, haven't understood, or didn't understood the things that their parents have said towards them. They will just say yes because they know they are their parents, and their parents doesn't want anything that could harm them for them. So full trust. That's the reason why our Lord Jesus Christ said we need to become children, because we need to fully trust Him without a question of a doubt. All right, I'm gonna bring you to McDonald's. My mother told me that we will be eating fast food. Kain daw kami sa labas. I was probably 5 or 6. Probably 5 or 6. Kasi, naalala ko yun eh. Nagkahiwalay yung mother ko tsaka yung father ko. 6 or 7 na ako. So, napunta kami dito sa Bulacan. So, may bahay kami dati sa JSI subdivision sa may Malinta. Anyways, so nung nagkakagulo sila or di ko maintindihan kung ano nangyari sa kanila noon, so inaya ako ng mother ko, ng mama ko, sabi, tara punta tayo sa kain daw sa labas. Dalang mga gamit. Kumain naman kami sa labas. Totoo naman, kumain naman kami sa labas. Jollibee yata o McDonald's, hindi ko na maalala ko exactly. Pero dinala ako sa Blooming Treat. Sa bahay ng tito ko, kapatid ng mama ko. Tapos doon ako nag-stay for a very long time. Kung alam ko lang, nadadalhin ako doon, di ako sasama. Pero because I trusted my mother, I went with her. And then she left me with my uncle. Eh yung tito ko, strict to grabe yun. May baril nga yun. Tumira ako doon sa kanila sa Cavite, 1 year. For 1 year. Dahil sa kuya ko naman yan. Dahil nag-aaway kami ng kuya ko, pinatira ako ng mother ko doon for 1 year. Nag-aaway yung tito ko tsaka yung asawa niya. Bumunot ng barel. Ako lang yung hindi ka pamilya doon. Relative ako, pero hindi ako anak. Sabi, gusto mong may tumumbar, parang ganun eh. Gusto mo may tumumbar rito eh. And 14 yata ako noon, 15. Mas madidinig mong gano'n, tapos may hawak ng 35 caliber. Kinakabahan ako ng time na yun. Pero anyways, as ibig sabihin is, yung trust ng isang anak na bata, little children, is full. And that's the reason why God is telling us, telling the apostles or those who's asking Him, na kung sino man naman, ang makakapasok is yung katulad ng parang bata. Now, this one, sinasabi naman dito is, ang nakikita ko, yun yung una ko nakikita dito. Tapos pangalawa ito, love your neighbor as yourself. How can you love your neighbor as yourself? Treat them like a child. Because those who are treating someone else like a child and loving them like a child is loving me. 37. Ulitin ko po, basahin po natin. Ang sino mang tumatanggap sa batang tulad nito dahil sa akin ay tumatanggap din sa akin. Sabi ni Lord, John chapter 14 verse 15, if you love me, keep my commandments. Correct ko lang po, baka 16 eh. Baka John chapter 14 verse 16 eh. Pero 15 yung if you love me, keep my commandments. Sabi, ang sino mang tumatanggap sa batang tulad nito dahil sa akin, so if you love me, so you're keeping my commandments, so you're taking this child within you, or you're taking care of him because of me, because you love me, you're keeping my commandments because you love me because you've understood that I sacrificed myself unconditionally for you, and then you're not returning the favor, but being revering me, respecting me, grateful and thankful to me. Now, if you said you're grateful and thankful to me, it means you love me, right? Yes, Lord. If you love me, keep my commandments. And those who accept the child in my name's sake, they are accepting me as well. And those who are accepting me is accepting the Father as well. And those who accept the Father accepts as well and will bring to heaven. Grabe yung Biblia. Bro, sis, sobra. If you're going to dwell in the Word, your mind will be blown out. Grabe yung interconnection ng mga salita ng Diyos. Grabe talaga, promise. Ang sino mang tumatanggap sa batang ito, kaya tayo magiging bata, is dahil yung trust natin ay fully. So for example, me, I fully trust God. You can treat me as a child. Pwede nyo nga sabihin, wala na sa tamang isip to si JB. Kasi wala na siyang pakialam sa mundo. Sa pera, hindi niya na Panginoon yung pera. When you were 3, 4, 5 years old, are you caring about the money? Are you caring about money? Are you worrying about tomorrow? No. You're just having fun, living your life, relying on your parents for the food that you're about to eat, the clothes that you're about to wear, relying on your parents because you cannot provide for yourself. Woo! Interconnected na naman. Grabe, Lord. Grabe yung revelation, no? If we are dependent to God, we are like child depending in our parents. Grabe yung revelation ni Lord today. Grabe. Kung hindi kayo tinatamaan, I do apologize, sapul ako. Grabe yung reminder ni Lord. Pero hindi ko na pahahabain. Tingin ko gets nyo yung sinasabi ng verses. Napakalaman nito. Grabe, guys. Kita-kita tayo bukas. So, God bless you. Keep safe. Bye for now.